Hey everybody, it's Ross here with Northern Technology Services. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log into Office 365 and install your applications. So we start off at www.office.com. We're going to go ahead and select Sign In. Get going into our account here. All right, now that we are in, we start off with the basics. Here's access to all of our applications in the web. Then we want to install the Office applications to this computer. We go ahead and select this box here and select Office 365 applications. So then from there, we're going to click on the down file. You may see a prompt like this. Go ahead and click yes. Then you will see Office, we are getting things ready. And as soon as this box is done doing its job, the Office applications will be installed. Thanks for watching.